Yeah, hi Matthew, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. That's going to be shipped out today. Yeah, okay. So basically, I checked the the spindle, the micro switch. The cogs. I've cleaned them up for you, and I've put a brand new laser in there for you as well. So I will just start that up there. Push play on there. So yeah, and I've had it on test now for several hours, and let me just turn it up for you. That's my favourite record. It's all done for you, and as you can see, it's working as it should be. I'm showing no faults on that with hours of play. So yeah, there you go. So I'll make sure that it's in the post for you today. I'll be going out in the next hour. So yeah, as soon as I've done this, what I'll do is I'll upload this video for you later on tonight. So yeah, thanks again for the business, and we do appreciate it. And if there's anything else you need, just give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And you look after yourself up there, and stay safe, and you don't get any of this corona stuff. So yeah, all right, Matthew, thank you ever so much, and really appreciate your business. Thank you.